Well, welcome back to our video that supports the 8D Canteen Survey project, and we're looking now at how to create a chart for your results. This is sort of helping you with task 3C, and the first thing we need to do is make sure that we completed task 3A, okay, where you've written all of your questions related to your canteen survey. For instance, here I've done one. I didn't want to do all of them in case it gave you too much of a hint or cheated a little bit. So here I've got a question, when do you most go to the canteen? And what I've done, I've changed these options here up here to breakfast, AM break, so it's morning break, and lunch. Okay, so that's 3A, setting up your questions, and ideally you will have 4, 5 or 6 questions, okay, to ask, and that could be everything from when do you go, do you like it, are you served quickly, through really down to the main thing, which is do you like the food and drinks, what do you particularly like, do you like the puddings, do you like the hot, do you like the sandwiches, and so on. So once we've got our results here, so we've been adding in results here, so 5 people like breakfast, sorry, not like breakfast, went to the breakfast serving, 7 people went at break, and 16 people went at lunchtime. Okay, so that's task 3B, where we ask people to come and answer all of our questions. Okay, and in task 3C we're going to need to create a chart. Okay, because it's great having this data, but a lot of people are very visual, and having a chart helps them see that data quicker. So how do we do that in Excel? So the first thing we need to do is we need to highlight what data we want to see in our chart. Okay, so we'd like the question title to be there, we'd like some options of breakfast, AM break and lunch and so on, and then we go up to the menu here, go insert, and then we have column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter or other charts. Okay, and what you've got to think about is what sort of thing would look best. And you can just play around with them, see what works. Sometimes the data will be missing based on what you're trying to do and so on. But I would say probably a pie chart might be good, and you can do, for pie charts, you can do sort of 2D, so that's 2-dimensional charts. Okay, and I quite like the idea of a 3D chart, so let's have a little go at that. Okay, so what that automatically does is creates a chart for you, so we can quickly see that most people go to canteen at lunch. Okay, what it's also highlighted here is where's that data coming from. Okay, so it's sort of highlighting, as you're highlighting this, okay, it's highlighting where that data is coming from. Okay, and with this chart what we can do also, just make it really small if you want to. Okay, because what you've got to do here is for all your questions you've got to create a chart. Okay, up here we can sort of customize the chart and play around with it. We've got different options, depends what you want, it's up to you, see what looks good. We can play around here with different layouts as well. Okay, I don't like that black look, so I'll go back to this original colour. Okay, and what I can also do is maybe try a different type of chart. Now I can do it through here, so change chart type, or if the chart's not working, maybe there's something missing, like the title, I can go back and reselect my data, go insert, and let's put in a column chart and see what that looks like. We've got different types, got 2D, 3D, pyramid, whatever you want. And here we go, here's a bar chart. Okay, and the question is, do you like to when do you want to go to the canteen? It's got it here, so it's another way of doing it. It's got numerical values here, so we can actually give you real data. So that is how you create your charts. Okay, and you need to create one for each one of your titles. And I hope that helps you with question 3C. Thanks for listening. Take care.